Grand Theft Auto 5. 3 protagonists. One massive city. And a legacy that changed gaming forever. But here's what you don't know, this game cost $265 million to make. It took over 1,000 developers 5 years to build. And it sold over 190 million copies, making it the second video game of all time. Today, we're diving deep into the complete story of GTA 5. The hidden secrets, the development nightmares, the controversies, and how it paved the way for GTA 6. September 2011. Rockstar Games announces GTA 5 with a trailer that breaks the internet. But behind the scenes, pure chaos. Rockstar North in Edinburgh, Scotland became the war room. Over 1,000 developers across 16 studios worldwide. That's right, 16 studios. From London to Tokyo, Toronto to San Diego. The budget: $137 million for development. Another $128 million for marketing. Total, $265 million. For context, that's more than most Hollywood blockbusters. But here's the crazy part, they built Los Santos from scratch. Every street, every building, every billboard. They flew helicopters over Los Angeles for months, capturing reference footage. The map is 81 square kilometers, that's bigger than Manhattan, Brooklyn, and San Francisco combined. And the technology. The Rage engine got a complete overhaul. New weather systems, advanced AI, realistic water physics. They even hired real stunt drivers, actors, and musicians to make it authentic. Here's what made GTA 5 revolutionary: 3 playable protagonists. Michael the Center, the retired bank robber in witness protection, living the suburban nightmare. Voiced by Ned Luke, who brought real vulnerability to this crisis criminal. Franklin Clinton, the young hustler trying to escape the gang life. Sean Fontenot, who actually grew up in South Central La, brought authentic street credibility. And Trevor Phillips, the psychopathic wildcard. Stephen Ogg's performance was so intense, people thought he was Trevor. He improvised half his lines. But the genius? The switching mechanic. You could be in a chase as Michael, switch to Franklin during a skydive, then jump to Trevor causing chaos across town. All in. No loading screens. This had never been done before. The coding nightmare was insane. 3 separate AI systems, 3 storylines that intersect, and seamless transitions. The writers spent 2 years just on the script. 1,200 pages. Over 5 lakh words of dialogue. That's longer than the complete works of Shakespeare. And the heists. Pure genius. You could plan them loud or silent, choose your crew, pick your approach.